here with UPTV, and this is Karen. She's the president of Feel Good, and we're here at Nordy's, which on Thursdays between 11 and 3 becomes a sort of grilled cheese factory. And so how many types of sandwiches do you make here?
We have a lot of different sandwiches. We have what we call the grilled cheese of learning after Kathy, where we have a bunch of different veggies like tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach, and onions. We have a Feel Bueno, where it's kind of a Mexican theme, and we have a grilled Granny, where we have Granny Smith apples and cinnamon sugar. And then you can make whatever you want, so that's why we don't really put a limit on it. And we also have a pizza as well.
Okay, great. How much does a sandwich cost?
It's a suggested donation of $3 to $5. We donate 100% of what we make at Deli to the Hunger Project to help end world hunger.
Okay, where do those funds go specifically?
The Hunger Project uses the money and they go to different countries. There's Africa, Mexico, India, any place that they actually have.
So outside of Pittsburgh then?
Most definitely outside of Pittsburgh,
okay,
yeah.
Cool. Where do you go to get your ingredients?
Right now we're starting to get ingredients from the Co-op in, East Liberty, I think.
Okay.
We do get some of the ingredients from IGA, and then we get bread donations from Panera, Mancini's, and cheese from Stimoli's.
What can students expect from joining this club?
You expect to have a lot of fun. I mean, it's basically us sitting in Nordy's for 4 hours, just playing music, having a blast, eating grilled cheese. You also get kind of a sense of accomplishment because we are making a difference. Since 2008, we've actually helped pull 6,000 people out of chronic persistent world hunger. So you kind of get that sense of accomplishment as well.
Do you have any future events coming up?
We're starting to pull together a delivery system for right after spring break. So we'll target mainly faculty, but also any students that are studying in Posvar, Senate Square, Chevron, any place when you want to get lunch on Tuesdays.
So you'll be around next year?
Most definitely.
Awesome.
Always.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks for having us, and this is Nate for UPTV here at Feel Good.